Hey, what's up guys, this is Maxie Johnson, and today I'll be showing you how to create a shortcut for any program. Basically, this one will be more for After Effects because it's probably the program that most people want to have shortcuts on, sorry. And of course the most asked shortcut is to not set keyframe, add a keyframe. So right here you're gonna go on, and I don't know if I did it. I think, anyways, just create a new composition. No, I did not do it. So I'm just gonna go on and create a new composition, and then what you want to do is just, well, don't create any composition. This is not part of the tutorial. I'm just showing you this so you can see, like, in effect what it does it. Anyways, I'm just gonna go on and not create a new layer. Just gonna create a very simple square, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you guys. See here, add position keyframe. Usually you don't have a shortcut, and I forgot to mention I'm on Mac right now, so I don't know if there's any ways to do that on PC. So I'm gonna jump in right there, and if you PC users don't know how to do that, then stop watching this video. Alright, anyways, so on Mac, we're on Mac right now. Example that you want to add position keyframe. Right now you see that there's a shortcut, but that we're gonna remove that right here since for the purpose of the tutorial. And what you want to do is go in System Preferences, Keyboard, Shortcuts, and then App Shortcuts. Now, as you can see here, I got all my keyframes. I'm just gonna go on and delete pretty much all of them, just so I can show you guys. By the way, you can do this with any other commands. Like, you could do this with this one since there's no shortcut, or you could do it with this one. But since the most asked shortcut was add keyframe, basically, I'm gonna go on and do the tutorial with this one. So as you can see now, there's no more shortcut. So the way it works is it's not just one command. Like, as you can see right here, it's add keyframe. We're gonna add this command though, but it's not the only one we want to add, because there's many other type of keyframes we can add, like position keyframe, anchor point keyframe, and pretty much all those right here. So we're gonna go on, and as you can see right here, I can't click it, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So you see it says add keyframe. Now remember the exact name with the caps and stuff, because you'll be needing that. And so it's add keyframe with the A and the K in capital. So you're gonna go where we are here in the shortcuts and press the plus, and then you're gonna search for your After Effects. Now if it's not in this drop down menu, just drag all the way down here and you should get it to the other, you click on that, and then you can select your application. So let's go here, and now it's searching for every After Effects commands that are on the top bar here, and the title of that command is add keyframe. Now type it exactly how it is. And now this is the tricky part, because you need a shortcut that hasn't been used, since there's a lot of commands, so a lot of shortcuts. But I found this one that is Control Z, so basically it's not used. So I'm just gonna go on and use Control Z as my shortcut. And as you can see right here, we have our Control Z. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it with every other transform commands, because transforming is pretty much the only thing we use for keying. And so now you can see we've got a new thing since I selected the anchor point. See, like, if I select position now it's position. So I'm gonna go on and select anchor point, and as you can see it says add anchor point keyframe. we're gonna go here, click in the After Effects since we already did it. So it's gonna add it automatically, you don't have to, but just to save you time. And it's add anchor point keyframe. Now I'm gonna show you what it does if you don't do it right. Like I didn't put the last E, so I'm gonna do Control Z, and as you can see, nothing happens. There's nothing. So you really need to type in the exact command. So now we put this, and we do not have it. Alright. Sorry, we're just gonna remove it and redo it since, yeah. Add anchor point keyframe, and we're gonna do Control Z. Now it should work. Please, yes, it works. So as you can see, anchor point keyframe, and I'm gonna do this quick one right here with the position. So add position keyframe. You add position keyframe, and I'm gonna do it again, Control Z, because I don't want to mess up my commands and stuff. I just want to keep it simple. For every keyframe it will be Control Z. And I'm gonna stop there because I think you got the point. So I'm gonna show you an example. My square is right here. I'm gonna go on and do Control Z, and now it added a keyframe. I'm gonna move like 2 seconds, and then whoop, and it records. You don't have to do another. It records it because of that little time thing. And as you can see right here, woo, it moves. Nice. All right. Well, that's it for the tutorial, guys. If you have any other questions about this, you can do this in every app. Look, I'll go and put in Pixelmator because that's where it all started. Because there was no shortcut for the export, and it was getting really annoying. So as you can see right here, I added my own shortcut. If I remove it, there's no more shortcut to export. So I'm gonna go on and do add to Pixelmator, export, and don't forget the 3 dots after that, and Command E, add, and as you can see, guys, it's right here. Alright, so I'm gonna let you with that, guys, and with that said, I'm out.